Hey, what's up, man? Riddlouche, Mr. Live on location. And today is Monday, June 7, 2021. Financial news you can use. This is not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. Now, that being said, that disclaimer, a lot of action in the marketplace again today. Them stocks was jumping. Okay, them stocks was jumping. Believe that, because today, right now it's like about 6 o'clock Eastern, and yeah, man, today, AMC was up. At the beginning of the day, AMC was up like 15-20%. GME was up like 10% when I checked at like 10 o'clock this morning. U1 once again was up like 15% approximately this morning, about 10 a.m. So it was jumping, man. One of those weed stocks was up. One of those weed stocks was up too, a good 10%. I believe it was either Sundal, SNDL, or Tilray. One of them was up like 10-15% when I checked about 10 a.m. this morning, man. So yeah, man, looks like and Naked brand, which is another meme stock. Naked brand was up like 10-15%. So I bought some of them, and I bought some of fractional shares. I bought some fractional shares of some company called Workhorse or Workhouse, which they say the news media is saying that Workhouse or Workhorse is another makeshift meme stock, but we'll see, because I don't know. I don't think Workhorse, whatever it's called, Workhorse or Workhouse, I don't think it's a meme stock, because which means kind of like they're just pumping it up on Reddit and stuff. I don't think it's a meme stock, because I think Workhouse or Workhorse, whatever it's called, I looked at the fundamentals, you know, the graph for the month, 3 months, 1 year, and it's been trending up for the 1 month, the 3 month, and the 1 year. So I don't know, but it's definitely had high increased activity here in the last couple days, which I've never heard of it before in the last couple of days. So it is what it is, man. You be your own judge on that one. A lot of meme stocks are making moves, man. So hey, you never know. They say the short squeeze still might be coming for AMC. A lot of people say it hasn't hit yet. Well, I guess we'll see. Only time will tell, because the short squeeze, which makes the price shoot up like GME did, like 300% or 400%, like what happened to GME in January, that was a short squeeze. Well, the short squeeze hasn't really happened yet with AMC, they say, because all the shorts, the people who are betting against the stock, the people who think the stock will go down, all those short positions haven't expired yet, or whatever that term is that they use. Haven't ended yet, or haven't expired yet, or haven't closed yet, or whatever the term is that they use. So long story short, they say that the short squeeze, which in theory would cause the price to shoot up 300-400% or something crazy, for AMC has not happened yet, like it did for GME back in January. So is that the truth? Is that the case? Are we going to see a short squeeze for AMC? Only time will tell. But, you know, time will tell could be any day now, or it could be a month from now, or it could never happen. So best to keep your eyes on it. That's what I would think. That's my opinion. I'm going to keep my eye. That's what I'm going to do, because I'm not telling you what to do. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is financial news you can use. So I discuss any and all financial topics. So I'm going to keep an eye on AMC, and I'm going to see what it does. And yeah, man, every day I'm going to check in on it and see, because I would love to catch it when it shoots up 300%. It's like And hopefully I can sell it before it drops like a rock. See, that's the name of the game. You gotta catch it, unless you're a day trader that has at least $20,000 invested, and then you can trade it, buy it, and sell it an hour later. But, for the most part, you basically you gotta hold the stock at least 24 hours for the most part, on most trading platforms. So if you catch a short squeeze, AMC short squeeze, and it goes up 300% in a day, but then you might be left holding the bag if tomorrow comes and then you try to sell it, and then Robinhood or whatever app is not allowing selling, or it's been a freeze, or the next day the stock plummets back down to where it already was before, and then you don't get to sell it and make any money. So hopefully, if a short squeeze does happen with AMC, hopefully individuals won't be stuck holding the bag, buying it, and then they can't sell it to make their profit. But hey, unfortunately, that's the risk that you take if you participate in buying and selling meme stocks like AMC and GME. High risk, high reward, potentially. So there's potential high risk, but there's potential high reward, but that's because there is definitely high risk. So you got to play it how you get it, how you live, and play it how you feel, as Cash Money Records had said back in the day. So yeah, man, Riddlouche, Mr. Live on location. That's all I got for today, man. Check out, I type Riddlouche on